Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is vibrating like mad and barely picking anything up, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a faulty motor or an obstructed brush bar. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more serious damage, affecting both performance and longevity of your vacuum. To tackle this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor specific to the Dyson SV12, and a pair of gloves for safety. Begin by ensuring your vacuum is unplugged. Carefully lay the Dyson SV12 on a soft surface to avoid scratches. With your screwdriver, remove the screw securing the main body. Be cautious with the screws, they can be small and easy to misplace. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover to expose the internal components. Now, locate the motor, it will be prominent and connected by wires. Disconnect the cables carefully, noting where each connects to avoid confusion later. You might need to remove additional screws holding the motor in place. Apply gentle pressure while removing the motor, it should come out without excessive force. If it feels stuck, double-check for any missed screws. Once the motor is free, replace it with a new one, ensuring it's seated correctly. Reconnect the cables as per your earlier notes. Now, it's time to secure the motor back in place with the screws you removed. When everything is tight, replace the top cover of the vacuum, aligning it properly. Reinsert the screws to secure it, but be careful not to over-tighten and risk damaging the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV12 and turn it on to check if the vibrations have ceased and whether it's picking up dirt effectively. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the brush bar and check for any blockages in the airflow. Also, ensure you're using the vacuum on suitable surfaces to avoid overworking the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.